Hey everybody, Felicia here. Alright, so we're back with video number 2. So in the first video, I showed you my stats, and I actually, on my video that I just sent you, yeah, it'll probably be, I'll say yesterday, and I'm making this actually after the video I just shot, but I sent you a video of, why this is taking me so long to get this out, because I hadn't uploaded these videos, and I hadn't, made some of the previous videos that need to go with this particular training. So thank you for your patience, but if you didn't see the video before, I put a link below the video that I sent you yesterday. So go ahead and watch that first part of the training, the second part of the training, and how I show you the traffic, like how I was able to send out something like 235 chatbot. Well, actually, send out a broadcast to my chatbot subscribers, and I'm going to show you how I put all that together as well. So I won't do it in this video, but don't worry about that if you don't know anything about chatbots, what they are, what they do. I'll go over some of that with you in the upcoming emails. Okay, so make sure you open your email so you can get it. This training, I'm going to condense it so it'll be these videos will be really short and not very long. Okay, so I know you guys are busy and you probably want to just get this information, go ahead and add it to your arsenal and get going with it. So traffic, when I first started off online, I really didn't know how to get traffic. I could get an offer. I could find an offer anywhere. I mean, I joined all these places like ClickBank, I joined JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Market Health, was it Commission Junction. I joined so many places, CPA, Peerfly, all this stuff, and so I became an affiliate. I can find any offer. You can become an affiliate at Walmart.com. You can become an affiliate at Home Depot. You can become you basically type in your product and you put affiliate program and see if they have an affiliate program. So there's no problem finding the offer. The offer is easy, but I didn't realize that you kind of want to find out and discover your traffic first. You want to find out what people are searching for, and you go to forums and you go to places like um, Yahoo Answers. You go to different places to find out what problem or situation are people having, and you can also do keyword research, which is very important, because if you don't know what people are searching for, then you're not going to know how to find them, because you have to use a part of SEO and YouTube. And I do a lot of YouTube videos, and that's how I get a lot of people who buy from me, because I will do keyword research on the product that I'm promoting. And I'm pretty sure, if you've not seen it, go back and check your email, because I'll show you a product, a software that I promoted, and I got people to buy that software through me. And I was stupid enough not to claim the domain again, and it got away from me. But it was passive income. People were just, I get a sale here and there, and I did a video where I show you how I made over 100, I think it's 130 something dollars just from that software, and only did like 4 videos, and that was it, and I left it. So if you are thinking about, not really sure where to get traffic, well, I got something for you this week. I'm going to show you. This is absolutely free, and it doesn't entail videos. You don't really have to make a video to actually get traffic for your offer. But in the next video, I'm going to show you how I would choose an offer, and the best kind of offer that you would want to choose, offer that really converts, and an offer that pays you well. So we'll go over that next. But traffic, I want to just kind of stress in this video, you want to find out what your traffic is searching for. You want to put that offer in front of that targeted traffic, that's particular traffic, and you want to always drive people to a squeeze page. A squeeze page, or a landing page, if you call it, it's a squeeze page is where you capture their email address and their name, or just the email address. Some people don't like to leave their name, and actually your opt-in rate will increase when you don't ask for the name. This is all probably very elementary to a lot of you, but some of you are on my list and you don't know anything about this. So I'm gonna just repeat all of this, and some of you just bear with it, and you may already know this. But for the person who's absolutely extremely new to this, you need to be building your email list. Your email list. So that's why you draw people to the squeeze page, because you want to market to them over and over and over. Basically, you want to build a relationship, because these people are not going to buy from you right away. A lot of people, like 90% of the people, are not going to buy from you the first time. So you want to help them, you want to educate them, and you want to give value and entertainment. And you're only going to be able to do that as if they're on your email list. And then they become warm traffic. But right now, what you're doing, unless you're doing YouTube videos, you are going to be doing, or unless you're doing Instagram and some social media, a lot of your traffic is going to be cold. If you're doing social media marketing, where people see you on video and they see you, interact, and they know you, and they decide to get on your email list, that's warm traffic. So there's a difference. There's cold traffic, there's warm traffic. You want to get people to where they're warm, and you want to give value, and you want to build that relationship with them and give them what they want so that you can get what you want. And that's the process. That's how it works on this internet marketing, affiliate marketing world. There's no secret. You just got to do this. You got to do it consistently, and you have got to give value to people. And I'm gonna tell you something. I'm not a guru. I'm not someone who makes hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. I'm not. I make a little bit of money online. But you know what? There's somebody out there who's never made their first dollar, and maybe you're on my list. You got on my list because maybe you wanted to learn about PLR products. Maybe you're on my list because I sent out an offer through a solo ad. And you're like, okay, what is all this about? I want to learn how to do this. I want to quit my job. I want to go on vacation more. I want to have a retirement plan. I want to have a strategy. I want to get out of the rat race. Well, the way you're going to do that is to learn how this game works, to learn how to build your business online. It won't happen overnight. I know a lot of people feed you that, and they try to make you believe you can get rich overnight. No, the only way that you're going to get rich overnight is after you've built that email list to where you can send out an offer and you can make thousands of dollars within a matter of hours, because that list is money to the bank to you, because that list trusts everything that you tell them, because they have listened to you and they've bought from you before, and they have learned, and they are getting to that place of where you are. So I may not know everything, but what I do know, I'm going to teach you, because if I know more than you, then that's going to help you. And then the same way you're going to help others is because chances are what you know may wow somebody else, and you have no idea. But the more you learn, you gain skill sets, and those skill sets will help you in your marketing, and it would help the person who's below you or who's behind you, who doesn't know already what you know. So don't think you got to know everything. And don't think you got to make hundreds of thousands of millions of dollars today or even tomorrow to be able to help somebody else. It's all about helping somebody, showing them the ropes. And I'm telling you right now, once you get that targeted traffic to your offer, you bring those people through a squeeze page, and you build your list, and you build that relationship, then you're able to make an enormous amount of money. You're able to make a lifestyle of this on the internet, but it takes work, it takes skill, and it takes a consistency. So I've rambled on the video. This right here is very, very important. I hope that you will watch this video again, really internalize what I'm saying. So in tomorrow's video, I'm going to take you through the offer. We talked about traffic. We'll touch a little bit more on that, but tomorrow I want to take you through the offer, how you find a really good converting offer, and we are going to eventually close out with, I'm going to show you how you can automatically, you already have warm traffic around you, and you may not know that. So I'm gonna show you how you can use that warm traffic to drive them to an offer that already converts, and you can actually get these people not on your email list, excuse me, they'll be on your chatbot list, which you can then put them on your email list easily. But again, chatbots, getting them on your chatbot is a lot easier to me, I found, than getting them on your email list. And you have higher open rate with chatbot, and you can see right in real time. The open rate is crazy, and I believe chatbots are the future, and they're new. A lot of people don't know what they are, but I mean, chatbots. I love it, and I'll actually put a page together and show you how I do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Felicia signing out. Goodbye for now.